My name is Bonnie Jiang. I'm a first-year master's student with dual degrees in user experience design and design science. Now you're probably wondering, that's a lot of designs right there. Today, I will share my journey with you about how I came from learning bolts and screws to a passion in user experience design. In undergraduate years, I majored in product design. I designed various products ranging from furniture to jewelry. At the time, in the art school, this is what I was taught, that design is form plus its function. And this is what I firmly believed in. I did everything I could to be a better product designer. I always envy mechanical engineers that they are able to design and make whatever they want. Therefore, I started to take classes at the engineering school in manufacturing and mechanical engineering, hoping that after learning all those classes, I will become this, the master of product design. Instead, all I did was this. I spent endless hours in the machine shop drilling and tapping holes on sheet metals and learning about difference between bolts and screws. Do you know that there are 36 different kinds of screws and screw heads? Well, I did not know that at the time. I did not even think those details even matter in design. In fact, those differences persist among me and other engineering teammates. True, we all call ourselves designers. In the design process, they work like this. They start with point A and lead to a point B because they value the implementation. However, I travel through different dimensions, explore different iterations. I may not end up something like B, but I'll end up something like a B1 or B2 because I value the learning from iterations. Me and my engineering teammates often put our heads against each other. We design a lot of functional systems that work so well, but it's hard for users to use. Taking examples of this atmospherical sensor, it works 100%. However, only 2 people on the design team knows how to use it. I'm not sure if you have heard of this. I'll go make this work, and you go make this pretty. Or, oh my God, of course an engineer designed this. It's so ugly. Well, those are both awfully wrong stereotypes that we have with each other that only created gaps between teamwork. I started to realize as the designer the importance of understanding our audience, internally and externally. As a designer, my job is not to compete with mechanical engineers to design the best functional system, but to help each other understand what our users need and why our job is important. In my analytical product design classes this year, I had the honor to work with 3 mechanical engineers. As a UX designer of the team, I helped them to conduct user research, visualize the data, and also run validation tests of our design. We're able to redesign a sensor to provide a safer environment to the bike users, to reduce the miscommunication between the bike users and pedestrians. More importantly than a successful delivery, we're able to create new experience with the experience we came with. For me, design has no longer become mastering different disciplines as an individual, but to create shared experience as a community. My name is Bonnie Jiang, your future UX engineer.